Hi guys, it's me Klim Anwar from Popic Techland. I hope guys you are doing well. Today our topic how to solve the problem and how to fix the problem to use 100% usage Windows. So it is very easy, very simple. You just stay with me. I will tell you step by step. So first of all, to solve your problem, you go on the start button. Just do right click on your start button. When you do right click on your start button, this type of box will appear in front of you, and here you got the many options, but here you select the option device manager, click on it. So when you do that, this type of page will appear in front of your display, and here you got the option of system devices, expand system devices. So when you expand system devices, here you got the many options, but here you select the option high definition audio controller, click on it. After that, this type of box will appear in front of you, and here you got the many options on the upside: general, driver, detail, event, and resources. Here you go on the driver, and after that you just do update driver, just close it and then close this window. By doing that, you go on the taskbar, just do right click on your taskbar, and here you go on the task manager. So when you go on the task manager, this type of box appears in front of you, and here you go on the startup, and here you disable the device which do you not want and which was not in your use, like this. Here you disable the devices according to your choices and according to your need, and after that you simply close your window and then restart your PC to make change in your devices and to solve your problem. So I hope guys this video will be helpful for you, and if you think that this video will be informative for you, so please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel Popic Techland. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye.